Hello and welcome to Edureify YouTube channel. Look, I know that you all are trying to learn in Excel in NEET, but it's not as easy as it seems, doesn't it? There is lots of information and lots of mixed theories in subjects for which you are preparing. But from where do you learn it from? So let me introduce you Edureify AI-based learning platform, which is very easy to use. You just simply type edurify.com on Google and this platform will open. Then go to learn section, select the exam. I'm preparing for my NEET exam. Then go for the subject. I'm putting hard work on biology and there are chapters. If you want to study from this, you can go down, scroll down and select chapter from this or directly type over here. Currently I'm studying on anatomy of flowering plants. See, I get this chapter over here. I'll click on it and my learning start. These are the topics covered under this chapter: the tissue, shoot apex organization, root apex organization, permanent tissues, collenchyma, serenchyma, xylem consists of following types of cells, and many more. Scroll down and go for it. Along with this, you will be able to see the time which you are devoting for your studies. Here, current time is being shown and your progress. Currently, we are on first topic consisting of 20 topics. We are on the tissues. So the term tissue was coined by a group of similar or dissimilar cells that perform a common function and have a common origin is called tissue. The tissues are classified into two main groups, namely meristematic and permanent tissues, based on whether the cells being formed are capable of doing it or not. If I go down, I'll see more information on tissues. It's meristematic tissues. The information is provided in points. I don't have to turn the pages and make points from it. Simply I get crisp and clear information from here. Then concept builder is there in which they have provided the classification of meristems on the basis of origin and development, on the basis of position, on the basis of plane of cell division, on the basis of function. See how useful this information is? And I don't have to search for it. In one screen, I get crisp and clear information and I move to next topic. Now it's shoot apex organization. It's telling that it's present immediately above the youngest leaf, primordia. It consists of meristematic cells and diagram is also been given over here. So scroll down and see how beautifully the diagrams are being explained with the theory part. I don't have to look to any other book, just in this only I am giving the information. So friends, if you also want to save your time and do some studies and excel in your NEET exams, then please enroll yourself to edurify.com right now.